Hi, so today I will explain you about the Scratch online editor. Okay, so if you just type in this URL scratch.mit.edu, you can get this page. If you don't have an account already, make an account and you can access all of these fun projects a lot of people made. Okay, so I'll start right now. So you're going to create. Okay. So once I go into create, I get this page. So see this big blank area? This is all the code area. This is like the show area. When you put some code in here, it will get shown in here. This is the sprite plank or sprite box. You can create new sprites, like choose a sprite. We have apple, bananas, baseball, basketball. You have so many things. You have animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. Okay, come back. And you can choose some backdrops. You have fantasy, like, you have fantasy backdrops, musics, sport, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, and some cool patterns, like these. Okay, let's go into fantasy. See, these are like witch houses, woods, castles. It's cool. And come back. So here is, oh, okay. Here, this part is called the, like, uh, it's called something, but you can come into costumes. See this cat over here? Like, you can watch me do this. And I make a box around it, and then now you can make it really tiny. And now see here, the cat is super tiny. Or you can make it, oh wait, or you can make this cat a big, or like how it used to be, like there. And you can like make it different costume. It's like jumping in the air, now it's walking. Jumping in the air, now it's walking. And you can delete it right there. You can delete that costume. But we have this costume, so that's good. You can flip it horizontal. Oh wait, that body part, I flipped it. Okay. So you can flip it and flip it vertical. What's that? It's kind of like it's saying hi. Isn't that cool? Okay, back to normal. And over here, you can create new sounds. And this is like, because it's a cat, here's a meow sound. Watch, hear this. If you heard that, it said meow. And you can actually create new sounds. Here, choose a sound. And electric piano. Just hear this. That felt cool. And like wacky. And hear this. This is one of my favorite. It's really funny, but it's cool. Okay, it's really cool. If you heard that, that was crazy. Okay, let's just delete these. And if we come back to here, this spot is where you can choose which ones you want. Like right now, I'm in motion. Looks, and in looks you can like say hello. And then if you say hello, and like if you click say hello, the cat says hello. And sounds, like you can make new sounds here. Events, these are all the events. Controls, forever, wait until, repeat until. Sensing, this is like more like higher level. Operation, bit higher. Variable, still higher. And you can even make new blocks, which is pretty cool. So make a new block, and then you can input, like add an input. Oh, wait, number to text, boolean, and add a label. Okay, So this is a block name. Like, you can make a block. We're not making any today, but go back to motion. These are all the options. Like, these are the options for events, operation for operators. I'll go back to motions. And I'll show you that, like, you can actually make, see this bear? It's walking. And if I select that, it will come to the place, like the show area. Let's say it's a show area. And you can add as many sprites as you want. Ben, and then choose another sprite. I'll say bowl. Another sprite. Arrow. Wait, arrow. So you can add as many as you want. So then that's just like, if you want to make a story with all the code, which I'll show you how to make stories and how to build codes, I'll show you in the next video. But choose a backdrop. Let's just say a bedroom. We're in a bedroom. Wait. Choose city. It just changes it. You cannot make as many backgrounds as you want. It can only be one. Of course, it can only be one. And I can delete this. Say I only want Ben and the arrow. I'll put Ben here. Put the arrow here. It's like he's walking on water, and the arrow shows him where to go. And thank you, and I will definitely show you how to make the code in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.